Hello, I'm Chris Parkin. I'm here for everybody watching All for Hunters, All for Shooters. This is the new CZ 600 series rifle. This is the range model, and I'm going to just take a few shots now at this target, which looks to be about 100 metres away, maybe a little bit shorter. This has got a single stage trigger on it. It's fully adjustable actually. There's 4 stages of adjustment on it. Let's see if I can pop the magazine out. Twin column, top loading magazine, so you can just pop them straight in the top like that. You're not messing about with anything. I'm just going to take 2 shots with it. Judging by how I just shot the last group, I can see it does actually shoot rather well. And I don't really love this shooting position because it's very slippery on here. Just looking for a target with no hole.
You will find one.
Aha. Okay, target number 3 is a pink spot.
Yeah, also tried the military.
That's right, it's
but you can shoot quite fast. What I really like about this in comparison to other...
It's met its guaranteed accuracy level, put it that way. Just done a few shots, literally just like that. We've looked at the whole range of rifles this morning. There are 5 different models, I think there were. Different formats. This is the heaviest one, the format with the laminate stock, but there are lighter synthetic stocks and walnut stocks. There's also a trail model which has a telescopic stock. What else can I tell you about it? Well, it's an interchangeable barrel rifle. You've got to take it out of the stock to do it, but it's 2 T25 screws in here. The action barrel drops out. There are 3 screws down it's on the other side of the action, but there are 3 screws down the side of the underside of the action. Release those, the barrel slides out. You can have different barrel systems. The bolt also can have, I need to just drop this stock to get the bolt out on this one. As you can see, that one will drop without any tools needed. So the bolt comes out here. There are 3 action lengths, and there are also aluminium or steel actions, but this one has, the bolt can be dismantled. I keep doing this and I'm making my hands bleed doing it, but let's just do it one more time just to show everybody. So firing pin comes out. You can take the bolt face out like that, so depending on which one you've got, you can change the different cartridge families. That's all dependent on the exact action length you go for. And then this is the bit where you've got to really be committed putting this back in. So we push that down, turn that, and I've done it first time on camera without cutting myself anymore. Bolt goes back in there like that.
Final question, you like it?
I do quite like it. I'll be very interested to see how much it costs and see how it competes, because you can certainly see similarities with Seiko 85, Sauer 404, particularly in the bolt system. The bolt face, it's a sort of semi-controlled feed bolt face. There's actually a sprung plunger comes out of here to hold the cartridge into the bolt face. Now, one of the problems with the Seiko 85 is when you draw the bolt out, sometimes if that case drops off the bolt, it's left sort of landing in the breech area back there. That won't happen on this. The ejection system is still fully manual on this, so it seems that bolt speed will actually control how fast a cartridge is actually. Let's have a go with that. Yeah, if I want that to really throw it out, I have got to use bolt speed. So let's just do that again now fast. Yeah, and it does. Obviously we've done that without the gun loader, without the magazine in. Other things to talk about, the safety cap system is recessed here. So on the underside, my finger there, click that up, the bolt's locked and the rifle's safe. Push it down with the thumb or your finger, and the bolt's operation and the gun's safe to fire again. I think I've pretty much covered most of the salient features about it. Depending on the stock option you go for, there are different factors to do with it. This is the range version, so we've got a nice heavy laminate. It's fully free floating cold forged barrel. This is heavily stippled here. You can go thumb up or thumb wrapped. Adjustable cheek piece here. It's quite a narrow cheek piece. It goes up under your cheek. Doesn't displace your jaw off to the side. I do like that. And I think there's a lot going for this rifle. I think the only thing I don't like about it at the moment is I don't like this slippery mat to shoot off. But yes, have a look out for it. This video will no doubt be delayed by at least 3 months from when we shoot it to when you can hear about them, but you'll enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Keep shooting.